Welcome back, everyone. So it's Thursday afternoon. We're almost to Friday. We started off this Thursday on a cool note with temperatures early this morning in the upper 50s and lower 60s. We're still in the 60s, but wow, we saw a lot of good rain in many parts of the valley, even some thunderstorms overnight. Those who pushed through, we are pretty much done with the rain, I think, except on the coast. We could still see some coastal spotty showers or thunderstorms for this afternoon. Let's rewind this radar back 12 hours. You can see the showers and thunderstorms moving from west to east. The heaviest rain shown in the red for parts of the mid and lower valley. Even some rumbles of thunder toward the east, but again, things have quieted down for most of the area. Now, these are the Doppler estimated rainfall amounts over the past 12 hours. We're looking at almost 1.6 inches of rain so far in Port Mansfield, 1.1 in Raymondville, only 2/10 for you folks in McAllen, Rio Grande City, Brownsville, and Harlingen. So it looks like the highest rainfall so far mostly in Williston County and parts of Cameron County as well. Here are the temperatures, still cloudy, still cool. Temperatures right now lower 60s here at the station, upper 60s in McAllen, mid 60s in Rio Grande City, and lower 60s toward the coast and lower valley. Your day planner forecast, we should start to see more sunshine later on this afternoon. I know it's been cloudy and cool, but we should see more sunshine as the day goes on. So mostly sunny at 3 p.m. with a temperature of 79 degrees down to 71 at 6 p.m. And then the clouds start to come back later on this evening with temperatures in the upper 60s at 9 p.m. And yes, there is that chance for some patchy overnight fog. So here's a surface map. We have a front draped over the western Gulf of Mexico. It's stalled out. And boy, what a soggy day it's been so far for our friends in southeast Texas and Louisiana and Mississippi again. Heaviest rain shown in the red. Those are trying to push off to the northeast. We are seeing some drier air filter into the west. So the temperatures right now could be a lot worse. We're in the upper 50s right now, Dallas, Fort Worth, lower 50s Amarillo, upper 50s Del Rio, 54 El Paso, and 60 Houston. Right now, 71 in Laredo, where they're seeing more sunshine, and 67 down here in the valley. So on the map, this is the European model map. This is what happens. We should be seeing dry weather for this afternoon into this evening. Now, as the winds at the surface start to come from the south and southeast for tonight, that brings in more humidity into the area. So that means as the temperatures cool overnight, we should see some patchy overnight fog into tomorrow morning. If you like warmer weather, you're in luck because it is warmer for tomorrow with highs in the lower 80s, and then especially warm for Saturday with highs in the upper 80s, even lower 90s. Now, the reason for that is we'll have winds on Saturday coming from the southwest and west coming off those mountains of Mexico. So as the air descends, it compresses and warms, and that's why you're looking at a very warm Saturday, near record highs for some parts of the valley. But then a front comes in. That'll cool us off into the mid 70s for the highs on Sunday, and behind that, the winds will really crank up. So we're looking at a cooler and windy Sunday for the second half of the weekend. On the water, watch out for some spotty showers or thunderstorm. We'll have winds later on today out of the southeast to 7 to 13 knots. Baywater's a light shot. Your next tide is a low tide at 1:28 this afternoon, and the seas are 2 to 3 feet. So for today, gradual clearing later on this afternoon. 79 is a high temperature. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then for tonight, the clouds come back. It'll be mainly dry. There is that chance, better chance for some patchy late fog into tomorrow morning. There's your low temperature, 62 degrees with winds out of the southeast to south at 4 to 8 miles an hour. Let's talk about that 7-day forecast. A warming trend for Friday and Saturday. Wow, 82 Friday, 89 very warm on Saturday with mostly sunny skies. The front comes through early Sunday morning, so it's mild, even cooler and windy. 76 on Sunday. Look at that, down to 50 by Monday morning. Sunny on Monday and warmer with highs in the upper 70s. We're back to the mid 80s on Tuesday. Then a second front comes in by Wednesday. That's your first warn 5.